Hello student, welcome back to online class. Today in this video session we are going to see chapter triangle, question number 4, 5 and 6 of exercise 5b. Let's see question number 4. Question number 4 says, this is the figure, it is made in the question also. It is written two poles AB and CD. See, this is AB, one pole, and this is CD, another pole. Stand vertically, they are standing vertically on the flat ground. This BD is ground and AB and CD are stand vertically. So we have to find out BD and CD if AB is 9 meter, BC is 20 meter and AD is 15 meter. Okay, so let's see in the figure also. AB, this is 9 meter, BC, this is 20 meter, and AD, this is AD, 15 meter. Okay, so we have to find out BD means ground and CD means the height of second pole. Okay, so first see in triangle ABD we have two sides value. One is AB, that is 9 meter, second one is AD, that is 15 meter. We don't know what is the value of BD. So in triangle ABD, if you closely observe, you can find out this is right angle triangle because pole stands vertically on the ground. So here it is 90 degree. In front of 90 degree AD line is called hypotenuse. So in triangle ABD, we will use Pythagoras theorem. And what Pythagoras theorem says? Hypotenuse square means AD square is equal to sum of square of two sides. So first side is AB, its square, AB square. Then second side is BD, so BD square and their sum. Okay, this is Pythagoras theorem I have used here. Now put the value. AD is given 15, so 15 square. AB is given 9, so 9 square plus BD square. 15 square means 15 into 15, that is 225. 9 square means 81. 9 square, 9 9 81 plus BD square. Now 81 transpose to the left side. We have 225 minus 81 equal BD square. Subtract 225 minus 81, we have 144. That is equal to BD square. Now BD square is equal to 144. So BD is equal to root 144. Square root of 144 is 12. So BD is equal to 12 meter. After getting the value of BD 12 meter, now we will see in triangle BDC. Okay, so let's see here in triangle BDC. Now D is right angle, so in front of D, BC line is called hypotenuse. So BC square means hypotenuse square is equal BD square plus CD square. Here also I have used Pythagoras theorem. So BC is 20 meter, so 20 square. BD we got the value 12, so 12 square plus CD square. 20 square is 400, 20 into 20, 400. 12 square means 12 into 12, that is 144 plus CD square. Now transpose 144 to the left side. So 400 minus 144 is equal to CD square. Now subtract 400 to 144, we have 256. So 256 equals CD square, or we can say CD square is equal to 256. Now CD is equal to square root of 256. Now square root of 256 is 16. So in this way we got the value of BD, that is 12 meter, and CD, that is 16 meter. Now let's see question number 5. Question number 5, this is the figure, and question 5 says AB and CD are vertical poles. So here AB, this is one vertical pole, and CD, this is another vertical pole, fixed to the ground, and this BD is ground, AB is fixed on the ground, and CD is also fixed on the ground. Find the length of the wire AC. So from A to C, this is wire, and we have to find out this value. What is the length of AC? So here you can check out BD is ground. So first we will draw one parallel line, one line which is parallel to the ground. So here is AE I have drawn. AE is parallel to the ground. Now you can see ABDE is a rectangle, and you know that in rectangle opposite sides are equal. So if AB is 55, then ED is also 55. If BD is 60 meter, then AE is 60 meter. Okay. And we got the value CD is equal to 66 meter. But after AB is equal DE, DE is 55, then what is the length for CE? 66 minus 55 is equal to 11 meter. Okay. So in this way, in triangle AEC, this is a right angle. Okay. So AC is hypotenuse, so we will use Pythagoras theorem in triangle AEC. Hypotenuse square is equal to first side square plus second side square of right angle triangle. Okay, so AC we don't know, and AC is the length of wire. So AC square equal AE, that is 60 meter, because AE is equal to BD and BD is 60 meter, so AE is also 60 meter. Okay, and EC, this part, EC is 11 meter, so 11 square, 60 square means 60 into 60, so 3600 plus 11 square means 11 into 11, 121. Now add this 3600 plus 121, that is 3721. Okay, now AC square is equal 3721. So AC equal square, just transpose to the right side, it change into square root. So 3721 is square root. Now how we can find out the square root of 3721? So here, this is the way to find out. Here we have to write down the numbers in pair. So here you can check out, 21 is in one pair, 37 is in another pair. Now 6 are 36. So this 6, whatever number you are writing here, this should be written 3 places. Okay. So these two 6 you have to add, 6, 6, 12, and 6 into 6, that is 36. So subtract here, 7 minus 6, 1, 3 minus 3, 0. Okay, so now note down this pair number 21. So here you have only 12. Now after 12, if you write 1, then 1 you are to multiply. In this way you have 121. So 1 time you are to go. So 121, 1s are 121. In this way 61 is the square root of 3721. So AC is 61. What is AC? You see the figure, you can find out. AC is the length of wire. So we know length of wire is 61 meter. Now question number 6. This is a triangle ABC and AD is altitude. What is the meaning of altitude? Altitude is a line segment which is passing through one vertex, and it is just imposing 90 degree, just opposite side of that vertex. So here AD is coming from A and it is just fall on BC, and at the point D, so at the point D it is making 90 degree. Okay, so here AB is 26 centimeter, AD is 24 centimeter, and BC is 28 centimeter. So let's suppose BD is equal X, then DC will be 28 minus X, that is the value of DC. So now we have to write triangle. One is ADB, another one is ADC. So first see in triangle ADB. In triangle ADB, can you tell me what is hypotenuse? See, ADB at D point, this is 90 degree. In front of this AB present, so AB will be hypotenuse in triangle ADB. So AB square means hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of rest two sides. So what are two rest sides? AD and BD. So AD square plus BD square. This is Pythagoras theorem. AB value we know 26 square. AD value is also given 24 square plus BD we supposed x, so x square. 26 square means 26 multiplied 26, that is 676. 24 square means 24 into 24, that is 576 equal x square. Now transpose 576 to the left side, it will be 676 minus 576 equal x square. Now subtract these two, 676 minus 576, that is 100 equal x square. So we can say x square equal 100. Now x equal square root of 100, square root of 100 is 10. Okay, so value of x is 10 centimeter. What is value of, what is x? BD is x, because we have supposed BD x. So BD equal x and x value is 10, so BD equal 10 centimeter. Now what is the value of DC? DC is 28 minus x. So DC equal 28 minus the value of x is 10, 28 minus 10, that is 18. Okay, now in triangle ADC, this is also a triangle, right angle triangle. So can you tell me what is hypotenuse here? See D at D point 90 degree present. So in front of 90 degree AC present. So AC is called here hypotenuse. Again in this triangle we will use Pythagoras theorem. So AC square equal AD square. AC square equal AD square plus DC square. AC square we don't know what is the value. AD we know 24 and DC that is 18. Now after calculation we got AC equal 30 centimeters.